if you want. See, I'm deleting. It's got deleted. Now let's move ahead in Jupyter. Okay. Huh. Since I've talked about insert one method, but you can also append your record in bulk. What I meant to say, just copy this thing. Now give it a name as records equals paste, and then comma, enter, paste, comma, enter, paste. Okay, this one open closing bracket fine. This okay no. As I'm passing list of records, so you have to pass this square bracket. Now let's try to append these records into your collection. Insert many records. Yeah, it got inserted into your MongoDB. Let's refresh. Yeah, so yeah, it's inserted your multiple record at once in a bulk. Now what we can do? Maybe we can store it in some. No need to store it. As I said, you every record is given some particular unique default ID provided by your compass. What if you yourself want to give some IDs which is unique? It should be unique actually. So let's copy this again. Actually, I'm copying it because I want to show you what I'm concerned about, right? I'm concerned about the unique ID. So I'm not giving different records. I'm not creating. It will take a lot of time. So in Python, you must be knowing about the dunder method. Dunder method is like underscore ID or a underscore something which those values should be uh, fixed and shouldn't be changed. Like if a coder in Python or a programmer in Python one sees a code and if he sees the dunder method, dunder underscore is there, so he should never do any alteration with that particular variable or method or any functions. So this is a dunder method. Like I'm giving it a unique IDs, for example, one. Fine. Also your comma. I need to give specify comma here. Copy it. I'm such a lazy person. I used to copy everything. Paste it to not 220 something. Fine. And let's copy this. Something as 15. Now let's try to insert this particular records. Invalid syntax. Company name excited. Okay. Slash I missed a comma. Fine. So now it has inserted at this particular location. You can see. Let's check in our Mongo. Refresh this once. See, ID 15, ID 20, ID 1. These are the IDs which I just gave now, and these are the default IDs which are given or provided by compass to your particular records. So now I want to show you one more thing. uh, Once these particular records are created with these unique IDs, see, before you were able to copy these codes, each and every records were same, and you were able to run these particular cell again and again, and you were able to insert all these records again and again into your database. But once particular unique IDs are generated or created by you, you can't run this particular cell again to insert these records. Let me show you. If I press enter, see, it's showing me an error because ID should be unique every time. You can change it here, 201, 13, 156. Now run it again. See, it has inserted many results at this particular location. Also in this compass also. Refresh this once. 156, 201. These IDs are like created by you, these particular records, and you can see all those records. So yeah, ID should be unique. In case of Mongo, it creates a unique ID for you, or in case you create by yourself, then ID should be given different for each and every record. Since we are done with the creation of database, creation of record, insertion of records, now let's find some records with the help of Python code. What you can do, the collection name was what? Collection, yeah. So you can do one thing, collection dot uh, find one. This will retrieve the very first record from your data, from that particular collection. See, ID this one, XYZ ASD ring branch. This will retrieve the very first record from your collection. And if you want to move ahead with the getting all the retrieving all your records at once, you can do this. Find, run this code. Sorry, actually, this becomes a iterable object right now because it is having more than one collection of records. So what you can do, you can just loop inside this for I in collection dot find